What's up guys, in this tutorial I am going to cover installing a rear windshield. First thing you want to do is spray the glass and place your pattern on the glass with the liner side up. Be careful when handling the film so you do not crease it in the process. This installation method I am going to teach you is called the trifold method. There is other methods out there that you can research. I just found this one to be more beginner friendly. I am going to give the inside one more spray with my soapy solution. The reason I spray the air is to help with any dust that might be floating in the air, just an extra step to get a cleaner job. Carefully peel the liner at one corner, slowly remove the liner and spray the film as you go. Do not flood the top. You do not want contamination running down into the pattern. Make sure the whole pattern has been sprayed so it does not stick onto itself when being folded. Now pinch the film about a quarter of the way at the top and the bottom. Pull and lift. You want to fold the pattern halfway onto itself. Repeat this step on the opposite side. Your pattern should now look something like this, a lot more manageable and easy to carry. I am going to lift at the center bottom and hold the pattern like a baby while I carefully bring it into the car. Make sure not to touch anything with your pattern so you do not introduce contamination. Once inside, you want to place your pattern in the middle on the rear deck and give the rear windshield one last spray before we start installing. Now you want to carefully unroll your pattern. Once your pattern is unrolled, slowly and carefully place your arms underneath the pattern. You want to reach the bottom of the pattern and have your arms shoulder width apart. This is called mummy method because you have your arms placed like a mummy. You want the center to make contact with the glass first and make sure it is flush with the glass. Look at my arm placement. I am going to slowly work the film down. While I am doing this, the sides should not be touching anything, so keep an eye on the sides to make sure they are not getting pinched while working the film down. As you can see right here, the center is on the glass and the sides are just hanging. I am going to start pushing the film down. Use your hands and push near the bottom of the film. Do not rush. The film should be moving smooth and slowly. As I work the film down, I am also installing more of the top film as I go. The sides are still not installed yet. If you haven't already, if you could smash the like button and subscribe to my channels, I would really appreciate that. If you do have any questions, drop a comment below and make sure to check out the description for any useful links. I am almost near the bottom. Even though it may look like the corners are installed, they are not. They are bowed and just sitting there waiting to be put into position. Once the film reaches the bottom, I can install one of the sides all the way up. Inspect both sides and start with the side that has the most clearance. Once you have one side fully installed, you can now push the film in that direction to allow room to install the opposite side. Slowly work the film into place, making sure not to touch the plastic panels while doing this. The film is now fully installed. Shift it into place so there is no light gaps all the way around. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the next tutorial where I show you how to squeegee the water out.